Russian Soyuz launches new crew to replace 240-day ISS team. Every few months, the International Space Station ISS undergoes a crew handover to maintain continuous human presence in orbit. On August 23, 2026, a Soyuz spacecraft launched from Russia carrying a new crew that will replace the astronauts who completed a 240-day mission. This transition is a routine part of the long-term partnership between Roscosmos and international partners, ensuring that scientific experiments, station maintenance, and operational oversight remain uninterrupted. For business owners, understanding such scheduled transitions underscores the importance of planning for continuity in any high-availability system, whether it's data centers, supply chains, or critical infrastructure. The Soyuz launch exemplifies the collaborative nature of space exploration, where multiple nations contribute expertise, funding, and technology. Roscosmos' partnership with agencies such as NASA, ESA, and others allows for shared risk and resource optimization. For technology entrepreneurs, this model demonstrates how joint ventures can spread development costs and accelerate innovation. By aligning with complementary partners, companies can access new markets and technologies that would be prohibitively expensive to develop alone. The ISS partnership also illustrates the value of long-term contracts and shared governance structures in managing complex, multinational projects. The 240-day mission duration and subsequent handover highlight the ISS's built-in redundancy. By rotating crews, the station mitigates the risk of prolonged exposure to a single set of personnel, equipment, or operational procedures. Business owners can translate this principle into their own operations by implementing redundant systems, cross-training staff, and establishing clear handover protocols. Such practices reduce downtime, prevent knowledge silos, and ensure that critical functions continue smoothly even when key personnel are unavailable. The ISS serves as a testbed for new technologies that later find applications on Earth. Innovations in life support systems, robotics, and material science often originate from experiments conducted aboard the station. For tech firms, this underscores the potential of investing in research environments that push the boundaries of performance. By supporting or partnering with space-related research, companies can gain early access to breakthroughs that may translate into competitive advantages in fields such as autonomous systems, energy efficiency, and advanced manufacturing. Map out critical processes and identify potential single points of failure. 2. Develop a redundancy plan that includes backup personnel, equipment, and data pathways. 3. Seek partnerships that allow shared risk and resource pooling, especially for high-cost or high-risk projects. 4. Invest in continuous learning and cross-training to ensure knowledge transfer during staff transitions. 5. Explore opportunities to collaborate with research institutions or space-related programs to stay ahead of emerging technologies. By applying these steps, businesses can enhance resilience, foster innovation, and position themselves for long-term success. This program uses AI-generated voices. American Tech Consultants helps businesses plan, integrate, and support AI and information technology solutions. Learn more at americantechconsultants.com, call 954-998-2994, or email support@americantechconsultants.com.